Hello everyone on AU Intellect. This is Rajat Banerjee from the School of Law and Justice at University. Today I am going to deliberate on the recent ordinance which was passed by the President of India invoking his powers under Article 123 of the Constitution of India and amending the provisions of the Epidemic Disease Act, which was passed by the British Parliament in 1897 and which was meant to address the issues arising out of bubonic plague that had ravaged the city of Bombay in and around the same time. Now, looking into the provisions of the new act actually has added a new section through section 1A precisely, which is the interpretation or the definition section, and has added definitions in order to address the issues facing the healthcare workers. This apart, the act actually has made the punishment more stringent. Earlier, the punishment could only be invoked through section 3, which actually got rerouted to section 188 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, which speaks about the interference with the duties of a public servant. So anybody who was found to be interfering with the duties of a public servant and not obliging to the orders of a public servant could be made criminally liable and be imprisoned for a maximum period of 6 months and be fined for a maximum of 1,000 rupees or with both. Now, the present act actually has increased the punishment and has made the offence a non-bailable offence. As of the new act, the punishment has been increased to 7 years. So any accused who is alleged to have grievously hurt healthcare workers may face imprisonment till 7 years and may face a fine till 5 lakh rupees or with both. Now, this is the second part of the act. The third part of the act is, which I'm actually referring to the most important parts, is that the act has actually shifted the onus onto the accused and also the presumption against the accused. So these are generally in a nutshell the quintessential provisions of the new act which has been promoted through this ordinance route, and we all hope that this ordinance route will actually find a normal route once the legislature sits in its monsoon session. Also, this act has actually provided deterrent effect to all those who were allegedly attacking healthcare workers in rise of the COVID-19 situation. Thank you.